waterfalls. Fuck it. Hello, how's it going, guys? Have you guys been? Let me start all over. I think I want to add little bloopers in the back, like at the back of the videos. Hey. Stupid. But like I was saying, I think I want to add bloopers all the way in the back of the video, so you can see like las pendejadas que hago y todo eso. So I don't even look both ways ni nada. Chingue su madre. Vámonos, péguenme. But anyways, I said the lighting's horrible right here. Hey. I'm just leaving my school parking lot. I have class later on today, but I don't want to go. I know I should, but I'm not trying to go, to be honest. Go ahead, boo. Do your thing. Anyways, I hope you guys like my another video. I hope you guys want to go watch it. If not, go fucking watch it. I'm not trying to cuss, never mind. Go watch it. The link would be in the description box below with my social media and everything else. This lighting's horrible. The sun's bright, just like me. But I am heading to my cousin's house because her roommate's gonna cook for us, so I'll show you, or come along with me. Hopefully we can cook together and collab and make something delicious, because I'm always cooking. If you guys don't follow me on Snapchat, I'd be having my little cooking little things, like cooking little, I just be cooking on Snapchat and I be showing you guys how to cook. But if you guys don't follow me on Snapchat, you're losing out, because I know how to make bomb ass food. And for those who don't follow me on Snapchat, you guys are losing out. And yeah, but anywho, well, catch you guys over there when I get to my cousin's house, because
so it has
right
to
here.
get cooked over. Yeah.
Okay, so
wait, do you think we should put it in?
I just got to my cousin's house and they're making pupusas.
We're out here.
We are here.
Yes.
Look at her little pupusita.
Look at my little pupusita.
She has little hands, okay?
I have little hands, guys.
So what we have to do first, let me switch the camera. So you have to make sauce for it, right there. There's your sauce. And then we're making frijoles because they didn't have chorizo.
Chicharrón. Frijol con queso.
Yeah.
Wait, I can't find any other sartén.
You have to also make. Oh yeah.
Curtido.
There you go.
My pupusita.
Can you tell Anthony's followers what you're doing?
So I'm making a pupusa.
Okay, so what's step 1?
Step 1, wash your hands.
Step 2.
No, step 1 is you need to get maseca, put water, and like you put your hand in that shit. Amasa la masa. Okay? And then it has to be kind of a little moist, you know? It's kind of like clay. You kind of play with it. And then, yeah. So then you get a ball of masita. Like, tip in your hands. I have little hands. Make it into a ball. And you start forming the circle. This is kind of hard. You start forming the circle. And you can start seeing the tortilla, the circle being made. And you have to pat it.
How much vinegar do we put?
And when you have an alright size, like the palm of your hand, put beans in here. Okay? Little beans.
Oh, beans.
So we're using canned beans because, you know, college students.
They don't know I'm in college. They just think I'm a head guy.
Then this, right?
And once you put the beans inside, you want to close up the tortillita. Close that shit up. Yeah. So then nothing come out. It's gonna come out. It always comes out. And then you start making the circle again. This one's hold on, this one's split. Oh, look at this.
Bend down!
Little bit of oil, just to kind of like, you know.
That's good?
Yeah. Okay, now get a little ball. Make it into a ball now. Like you'll feel it if it gets started in your hand.
Wait, how much oregano? Like a little bit?
Tú tanteale. And now a lot more. No. Okay, make the ball. Make the ball.
I did.
Yeah, make it again.
More?
Yeah. Okay, now you're gonna make like a wheel. Like,
That's what I'm doing.
no, it's literally like you press it and you start like
From the inside or from the outside? Or
like you're gonna hold this your lefty.
I'm ready.
Okay, hold it with your
My
left. Okay, from the bottom like this. Okay, now get the top and you're gonna be squeezing it. And the bottom's gonna turn it. Yes.
Yes.
Start making a circle with like the palm of your hand. Yes. It's gonna become round. Look at yours, now look at mine. Look at yours. Do you feel it?
Mm-hmm.
And it's gonna, yes. But start, like when you get it here, press it so it can get thinner.
Oh, you want the outside thin?
Like the middle's gonna get like a little bump. Okay, and then when you get that like kind of alright circle, you're gonna start hitting it and like rotating it at the same time. So it's like literally like one. You're gonna throw it. Okay, you're gonna get it, put it in your palm. You're gonna get with the tip of your fingers, and then you're gonna rotate at the same time, and then you're gonna do the other side. Yes. Okay, now you're gonna make there. It's two. Thin it up. You're gonna put some beans in the middle. Give me a little bit. You know this. Free holes. Like a little bit more. Or is this gonna be tortilla?
Greedy.
This was the first how you know.
Or they just half it?
Huh? Yeah. So you make it into like a.
Oh, you close it up like this.
Yeah, close it. I count this one.
That's how we make like dough, sorta. Okay, I close it.
Yeah,
And then
close it.
squish it.
Now start making it again. That's
Okay.
the wheel. Yeah, squish it. It's gonna come out. It always comes out.
Now
need to
she's
clean
getting
up
more
the
better.
comal,
There
'cause-
we go. There we go. Look at perfect.
A ver.
Gabby's turn. Chinga, Sofia.
Casi no me
Lotion up her hands.
Ay. I can't. Throwing all the masa. Let's go. Go, Gabby. Go. We're gonna do a competition right now. A ver, because then it gets like really thick. Like the masa to cook. Okay, after that, we'll put some beans in there. And then close it up. And start making the wheels again.
Okay, so is this big enough?
Huh? Yeah. Big time big.
Okay.
I can't
So
with
what's
this
next?
fucking- My hands are little.
Put some beans.
in it, yeah.
How much? Like this much? Is this cool?
Huh?
Is this
Yeah,
cool?
that's cool?
And then what? You close it?
Yeah. How's this shit?
Okay, so this is the finished product. We're gonna put some.
Some salsa?
Salsa. Mm-hmm.
Put a little bit more. Some veggies.
And there you have it,
There you
folks.
have it. Pusa.
Fuck! I broke it. That's why we can't have nice things. I'm sorry, guys. I broke their home. Perfect.
So look at those. Those.
You're welcome. We're gonna
I can't with this one. Look at Tony.
Hasta salí bien buena, ya pura.
En acción, lo agarran ahí al youtuber.